Could you tell Mommy what you're doing?
I'm feeding baby birds.
Show me what you're doing.
Feeding baby birds.
Oh, okay. Can you get them to open their mouth?
Is this how they open their mouth?
Well, see if they're... Find one that opens up their mouth.
Huh?
Think they're sleepy? They had enough to eat?
No.
No?
I don't think
I think
so.
we give them a lot of worms today. Don't get by his eye. Here, let's see. Open up, open up. Okay, give him. You're not hungry? Go, drop it. Drop it in his mouth. Does it not work? How much worms you got? Yep, got a bit of worms there, huh?
I'm gonna wake them up.
Are you guys full? Yeah? Did you guys have enough to eat?
Not this one.
This one might. There, feed him. Drop it in there. Yeah, feed him again. He's the hungry one. He's the tiniest of all. Touch his forehead. There you go. Now drop it in. It's in his hair. There you go. Yeah, that's better. Oh, here comes this other one. Give him some more. Touch him on his head. See? There. He's no. Yeah, feed him. Okay. Here you go. Oops. Got a little. Take the grass off. Okay. Here you go. There you go. There. Oh, there you go. Good job. Feed him. Don't just stick it in there. Stick it in there like that. Touch your forehead. Let them know that you're coming. There, stick it in his mouth. There you go. He's always hungry. I want to try feeding him. There you go, baby bird. There you go. Touch his forehead for me. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. It's still there. Finish eat. It's sticking out his mouth there. You gonna feed him again? No, just pat him like that. Yeah. You think they're full? I think they're tired. Let's not feed them anymore. Look at them. They're sleeping. See?
Can I hold one of them?
The worm is coming out of that one's mouth. Finish eat your worm. Yeah. It's in your mouth. Finish eat it. There you go. Yeah. You sleepy? I think their tummy is really full, Charity. Look at that one. The two of them are sleeping. He's sleepy too. I don't know if this one wants anything. I think we should hang them back up in the tree now. And then we could...
But I want to hold one.
They're tired. Okay.
One time I rocked one to sleep.
Okay. Alright, well, hey Charity, tell baby birdie night-night.
Night, birdie. Can I pick one of them up?
Just for a little bit, okay?